Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will tell you about how you can add money in your Blinkit account, or you can say wallet, 2000 rupees. So let's start the video friends. So first let's open the Blinkit. If you have never download it from the Play Store, App Store, log in it and add your address. So here it is, Blinkit money. You have to simply tap on here. Now here it is, the add money. So here you can just simply add once or auto pay 2000, 5000, 10,000. You can add it like just this. Pay using anything you want. So there are super money, Beam, payment, UPI, credit, debit, WhatsApp, UPI. So there are more. So that's how you can pay any amount. You can see this is how you can just simply add the amount and you will pay. So you cannot okay, you can change it also. Here you can add more amount if you want, just like this. So that's it. You can put 10,000 at least. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.